construction of one of these gigantic fulfillment center type warehouses. I'll show you the photo out front, and I'll go to the other side. I'll go to over there in a couple minutes. You can see that's where they got the cement factory kind of set up over there. I'll zoom in on that in a minute. We got some trucks down here, some of the big dump trucks for hauling out the dirt, and a bulldozer right below us here. Look at the wheels on that thing. That is cool. I don't think I've ever seen that before. That is for working in this clay right there. It's almost turned into a full wheel with the clay stuck between the metal. That is neat. See, there's a drain, so they're going to probably concrete this. And this might be just like where the semi-trucks all pull in over here. They'll have all the bays set up along here, all the way down for all the semi-trucks. And you can see they'll build the big area over here. There's some of the sewer lines there. You can see they're not done pulling the forms around the outside yet, but it's deceiving. It looks like it goes kind of uphill, but it's actually flat. But look at the size of that concrete slab. That is just amazing to me. Really cool. Look at the forms they did there too. And they're using all kinds of rebar. Oh, I screwed it up. Let's see if I can get this back in focus. There we go. Look at all that forms right there. That is cool. And they got rebar in there. So these are going to be, I got a feeling these are all the trusses for the roof right there. I don't know why they'd be in place yet. I guess maybe they're going to bring in all the sidewalls on semi-trucks and just start setting it up. I've seen it done that way before, where they set all the walls up in panels, kind of just all the way down, and they just put in temporary supports to hold them in place, and then once they get them up, maybe they'll use all that trussing right there to start connecting them all. But very cool. This is gonna be a big one. They're probably all this big. You just can't tell once the wall's up. You really can't tell how big it is, but man, that is like a city. Isn't that cool? Down at the other side, we were just over there. We'll go back over there in a second. I just thought I'd show you this. A little bit more of a close-up on these trusses that are gonna go up on the roof. And I guess they're working out there. I didn't even realize that. There's a bunch of guys out there working on a Sunday. It's a Sunday right now. I don't know if I could zoom in and focus on that. It's not grabbing a focus. I thought this was pretty cool. This is a small bucket. There's my car. Look at that. That's a small one. So that just tells you how big this stuff is. And I thought you might get a kick out of this. There's a cement plant. I'm not going to go in too close because they're working today, and you got to have a hard hat, and I don't want to break the rules too bad. Check that out. That's nice. And there's all the gravel over there and the sand that they're using. So yeah, check it out. So here's the construction foreman's building there. Let's go over to that and check out this photo. There it is. So this is phase one we were looking at. Over 1 million square feet. 1,006,880 square feet. And you can see this is all the parking I was just pointing out, where I was thinking the bay doors were going to be along there. And then parking obviously over here too. But they're not indicating that there's any bay doors down there, but I got a feeling that's where they're going to be. And there's phase two up there. That looks different. It's 500,000 basically, a little over 500,000. Couple holding ponds. Boy, is that cool. Column spacing. I don't think it's going to be ready by May. Let me go out to this other photo out here too. Let's take a look at this real quick. There's the guy. I don't think that guy's even a real construction guy. Probably some actor. Look at that. Okay, let's check out the other billboard. There it is. Signage. That's a weird name for a company. Signage. So yeah, it looks like the bay doors are on one side and just regular parking on the other. Interesting. That's it. Here's part of the other construction site. I thought this was cool. I wonder if they dug those rocks out or if they had them delivered and they're going to use them around the property when they're done. But pretty cool. If you like our videos, please hit that subscribe button, that like button, share it if you want, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.